250 years ago, Solomon the dark goddess ended the existence of Zeus and Demi, the true goddess of light. But the reincarnation of the true goddess of light is coming to end her existence forever.
Charlie, where are you? Charlie! 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 Charlie!
Charlie! What is the meaning of this?
Why are you shouting my name like a mad person?
Kali, please, do not start. Because I'm not here for this.
Why are you here then?
I had a terrible dream last night. Where you killed everyone, including me. What is funny?
Because one day, your dream shall come to reality.
Sister, I don't understand. I don't get you at times.
You won't understand me, you pretender.
You called me a pretender?
Yes, that's what you are. Next time, you will shout my name like a mad person. You will not like the other side of me.
Kali! Kali! What is wrong with Kali? She always calls me a pretender. Why? There is something about Kali I do not understand. We are twins. And she sees me as a hindrance to her. Why? Why so much hatred? Why, Kali? No. Kali! Kali! Mother, you are here. You haven't answered my question. Why are you crying? Sorry, Mother. I wasn't crying. What are you tearing up? Look at tears in your eyes. You don't have to hide your pain. I'm your mother. You cannot hide your pain from your mother. Mother, why are you crying? I'm confused. Why? I don't know why my twin sister hates me with so much passion. Mother have struggled to rectify our problems, but she's not making it work. But she sees me as a hindrance. Don't worry. I'll talk to Kali, okay? Let me head to the market. When I come back, I will tell you a beautiful story. Alright, Mother. A fairy tale. You'll love it. Alright, Mother. I promise you, you're not going to cry again. I promise. I promise, Mother. I love you. I love you too. Go eat your food. I'll go there, take my bag and go to the market. Okay. What is it? What have I done wrong?
How many times have I warned you to distance yourself from me, you evil girl?
Nneka!
Chichi,
calm down.
I don't have your time. Like you don't know what is happening in this community.
But Nneka, what have I done
wrong?
Nneka.
Because of you, your sister Kali refused to be my friend.
Nneka, please. Don't mind my sister. Kali hates me. She hates me, please. I don't know what I've done to my sister.
She hates you because you are evil.
No, I'm not. You are my friend.
How many times have I warned you to stay away from me? Distance yourself from me.
Please talk to her.
Nneka. Nneka.
Chichi, please.
Nneka, calm down. Calm down.
Do you know, you will see the truth, you can't even say it. Distance yourself from me.
Nneka.
You evil girl. Chichi, let's go.
Go, Biko.
Let's go.
Leave me.
Nneka.
Hira. Don't mind her. Don't mind her. I will talk to her, don't mind her.
Are you sure? Yes. Please do.
Nneka!
Wait for me.
Greetings, Grandma.
Oh, Ma. Greetings, my son. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
Mama, I would love to take a walk. You know, I've been in there since 3 weeks now.
Son, you know you are not feeling fine. And it is not safe out there for you.
Grandma, don't you worry. I am fine now. I just want to walk around.
Okay. So where do you want to go to?
Well, I just want to stroll around the village and see what is happening.
I wouldn't want you to miss your way.
I won't.
Okay.
So this fool, you've grown wings to the point you didn't see me because I even hire you. I will teach you a lesson in this village.
Saloni, I know you want to end the existence of my mother like you did 250 years ago. But I promise you, she will send you to your board. Because it is the will of the Almighty that she will be reborn.
No, I cannot allow this to happen to me. Never! Why is everyone as the most beautiful girl in this village? Look at me now. I'm fair, she's dark. I'm tall, she's short. I'm chubby, I even have bum bum. She's skinny. She doesn't have anything. I'm beautiful, she's not beautiful. Very ugly thing, I don't know where she came out from. Everyone is now seeing her as the most beautiful girl. Never! I will never allow that to happen to me. I am the most beautiful girl. When a woman stands out, you know that a woman stands, that is who I am. The goddess herself. The most beauty with plain skin. Can't you see my face? Very pretty. I know who I am. I will never and ever, not now, not ever, allow her to overshine me in this village. Never!
Mother, you promised to tell me a story.
Yes, I did.
Alright, tell me.
So where is your sister?
She has gone out.
Oh, I would have loved her to be here to hear the story I'm about to tell you.
Alright then, let's wait until she's back.
No. Let's proceed.
Alright.
The story is about my past and how I got pregnant.
Told you to stop crying. Have you not cried enough? Because I believe that the goddess of our land will not put us to shame. Yes, I believe that they will someday bless us with a child. Please, my wife, stop crying.
When is the goddess going to bless us with our own child? See, when we grow old and die. We have been married for a very long time, yet not even one. Not even one child to call our own. You had better remember us. You had better remember also. Because I get humiliated by my fellow women every day. They have labeled me a witch. They say that I catched you. That is why you have not been able to marry another woman. They should give me my own child though. They should give me my own child.
The goddess. In Mary, I know you have not forsaken us. Even in my pains, I still know that someday, just someday, you shall bless us with a child.
This one that you are passing me without greeting me, even when I'm smiling and you are frowning your face, are we quarreling?
Oh, this witch, is that you? So you want me to greet you, Egwa? You want me to greet you so that you will be with me with your witchcraft?
Stop. It's just a harmless question. Are you not supposed to greet me as a friend? I won't take that insult from you. Stop.
And I have not started. I have a question for you, my dear friend. Do you have a child for your husband? No. And you want me to greet you?
I don't have a child at home. But how does that connect with what we are saying here?
Now listen to me. You better go and free that man. Give him a child. Even if it's one leg child or one eye child.
But stop. Stop. Just stop! Stop it! Stop it! Goddess of our land! Why have you abandoned me in this situation? Even Ugachi, my friend, now makes mockery of me! Oh God! What's the meaning of this? Me, I want to die. I want to die. My life is worthless. You mean if I had not seen you, you would have taken your life? For what? Who cares about you being childless? Who cares about that? I care. I love you. It's all about you. Why have you forsaken us? Please. Please, I'm sorry. Servant of yours. I have always made sure that your dwelling place is clean. Please, grant my heart desire. Make me fruitful, and I shall forever be grateful. Please, great goddess.
Enumirima, the great goddess of light, have granted your request. She promises to give you a child whose destiny was ended by bad friends. You will incarnate the great goddess of light.
No matter what, don't fight your sister. Don't hate your sister. Just love her. Promise me you will love her.
I promise, Mother. I will love Kali, and I will make sure I turn the hatred she has for me into love.
Unfortunately, Kali will never love you.
What are your reasons, Mother? Stop crying. It's okay.
I will tell you another story. It's not today.
So strangely these days.
But try and know why she's not happy.
Forget my sister, forget her. Just don't mind her attitude.
Alright. So tell me, when are you coming to my house? Are you sure?
What's the meaning of this? Yeah? What's the meaning of this now?
Next time, I'll deal with you.
Next time you do what?
Please, allow me to go. I don't want to bring problem between you and your sister.
Hera, I cannot allow you to go. Please do not allow my sister's attitude to jeopardize our happiness. Please. Okay, I'll talk to her. Okay?
Ikenna, please. Let me go.
Okay, wait. I'll do anything to make you happy. I'll buy you a new dress. I'll buy you things.
Dress. Excuse me.
Hera.
Please allow me.
Hello? What is the meaning of this? You did not see me or what? Why did you hate me? Are you blind or what? Answer me!
I should be the one asking you that question. Didn't you see me? Eh? I can see you do not have good home training.
Do not insult my upbringing. My mother raised me well. It is not your fault anyway, but your unhelpful mother. Get out of my way.
What? Hello. Please, wake up. Wake up. Grandma. Grandma, help. Grandma, please help. Please help her. Save her.
What happened to her and who is she?
Oh, Grandma, please, she's dying. Save her life, please.
You have not answered my question. What happened to her and who is she?
Okay, as I was coming back, I saw her on the way. I can see you do not have good home training.
Do not insult my upbringing. My mother raised me well. It is not your fault anyway, but your unhelpful mother. Get out of my way.
Hello. Please, wake up. Wake up. That was what happened, Grandma.
Take her to my chamber.
He chose her instead of me. Then I taught him a lesson. I should be the one to be attracted to him, not her. This is the cost from being unnoticed.
Grandma. How is she?
She's fine. The poison did not affect her.
And she's still unconscious?
Well, I do not know why she's unconscious. But by tomorrow, she'll be fine. Just go and relax.
Grandma, how can you tell me to go and relax when the girl that saved my life is still unconscious?
Like I said, go and relax. She'll be fine by tomorrow. Akira!
Grandma!
welcome. You came back so fast for me.
I should have run back fast. Why are you making up at this time of the day?
Mama.
When you should be in the kitchen cooking our dinner. You never like teacher. What is it?
Mama. You know I love making up because I'm the most beautiful girl on earth.
Really?
Yes, Mama.
When will you stop all this your rubbish? When will you have sense? Meanwhile, where is your twin sister?
Mama, how many times have I told you that I don't have a twin sister? I came to this world alone.
Okay, madam. Sorry. Where is Hera?
I am not Hera's keeper, so stop asking me.
Kali.
If you don't want me to do my makeup, let me go inside and do it because I have somewhere I'm going to.
What you're looking for? You will see it.
Mother, I watched you all through last night. Even till now. You're worried. What is the problem?
Why won't I be worried? When your sister, your only sister is missing.
Mama, you're here worrying yourself. And she's there with her boyfriend enjoying herself. Can't you see that?
If you don't have anything better to tell me, just shut up. My hair has nothing to do with boys, and you know it.
Yes, I know that. That's what you will say. You will defend her. There's no problem. I am not going to say any other thing. I shut my mouth. No problem. Let me go and look for something to eat.
Go and eat.
You better help yourself. Oh. If you die, I will bury you.
Die and bury yourself.
Stop thinking, oh, she's enjoying herself with her boyfriend.
What is it?
But you have to stop saying that girl.
Which girl are you talking about?
Your so-called girlfriend, Hera. She is evil.
Are you stupid? How dare you use such words on my woman? Huh? Hey, listen to me. Next time, do not try it.
May God forbid. Please look for another girl. Stop bringing her to this house.
Anjuguri, as my mother or what?
I've said my own.
Yeah?
But I've said
I've told you I don't like it. Don't say it next time. Hey, Jemefe!
What is good about the money? What is good about the money? Have you seen my daughter? Have you seen Hera?
Hera? Where could she have been?
I don't know. To go and fetch firewood, seeing someone in Nemo. And up to now, I've not seen her. If you see her, tell her her mother is worried. Before I die.
It's okay, Mama.
Oh yeah, I'm running here. Oh, I'm cooking.
saw Hira's mother this evening. Not quite long. She looks so worried.
Why?
She said she has been looking for Hira since morning she went to fetch firewood till this evening. You know Hira is a very decent girl. Where would she have gone to? Nneka!
What?
You're quiet.
I don't have anything to say about that evil girl.
Nneka! Why are you abusing her? Why are you abusing her?
Do you know, you are the only one that have gone blind to see what that girl really is. She nearly killed me in my dream. I don't blame her twin sister for hating her. She's devilish.
Nneka!
She's devilish.
It's just a mere dream.
I beg you. That girl is devilish. Please wait for me, John. I beg you.
Nneka!
What? Go and meet her. She's your friend.
Thank God you're fine. How are you feeling now?
Why am I here? How did I get here?
Please, calm down. Calm down, okay?
What have you done to me? Tell me!
Listen to me. I can see you do not have good home training.
Do not insult my upbringing. My mother raised me well. It is not your fault anyway, but your unhelpful mother. Get out of my way.
Hello. Please, wake up. Wake up. That was what happened.
For how long have I been here?
A day.
One full day? No.
You're not even that much worried.
Tell me your name.
You're actually the person I'm looking for. Hira! She's the one.
Mother, you right? Yes, Mother. Mother, I'm very sorry. Please, I can explain. Don't ask me if I'm doing okay. Alright. Come with me inside.
Son, you look worried. What is it?
Grandma, she's gone.
Who?
The girl that saved my life.
Oh. Did she mention her name and where she's from before she left?
She did not say a word about herself.
That's a goddess in human body.
What?
Never mind.
Shishi, I'm very sorry.
I'm sorry for what happened yesterday. I don't mean to, please. I'm so sorry.
Hira, I understand. You don't need to explain. Where were you? What happened? Your mother asked me, Ineka, and ordered you to look for you. I was on my way yesterday when I met you.
You mean you were about looking for me?
Yes.
Oh, Chichi, thank you so much. Thank you. You are my friend. You are my best friend. May the goddess bless you for me.
Hira, stop making me emotional, please.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You are my true friend. Everybody sees me as a witch. Even my own twin sister. She said I'm evil. Chichi, am I evil?
Hira, stop. Stop crying. You're not a witch and you can never be a witch.
Are you serious?
You're not a witch, Hira. Kali is just jealous of you, Hira.
No, Shishi. Don't say that. Kali is my sister. She can never be jealous of me. I don't know what came over her. But my mother always told me to love her. No matter what happens. And I do. I love my sister so much.
It's okay, Hira.
It's okay. I don't think Kali is jealous of me.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's go.
I went in search of that girl that saved my life. At least to say a word of thanks.
Son, that lady is not from this existence.
And where is she from?
Belong to nowhere. Maybe she's a goddess.
Grandma, what are you saying? A goddess and she showed herself to me?
Yes. Because you are her subjects.
And what subject are you talking about, grandmother?
Never mind. There is something about you that is mystery. But when the rightful time comes, you will know.
These days my sister behaves strange whenever she sees me with my girl, Hera.
So what is then her reasons?
I don't know.
I think the next option is for you to go home and ask your sister in a peaceful environment. You know, most times women can understand themselves better.
But that's not enough reason to pour out on my girl.
But come to think of it, your sister used to like your girl all this while, so why the sudden change?
I'm surprised. Anyway, by the way, what of you and Ma? What's going on?
Well, forget about Soma for now. Let's talk about something that's important.
Why are you sounding like this?
You would understand. Soma wants to leave me to the city.
That's not enough reason for you to get angry with her. She going to the city I think it's a good thing. She might go out there and make it and come back for you. One day, Joliba. You don't understand?
But I don't think you know women. You don't. Trust me.
Hera, mother,
The way things are going between you and your sister is giving me sleepless nights. I am worried.
Mother, you know it's not my fault. Kali is the person that always speaks on me, even when I did nothing to her.
I know. My daughter, I know. But that's why I'm here. I want you to go to your sister. Go settle things with her. Make her understand that you two are sisters. Nevertheless, twins. You both share an old bond. Show her love. No matter what. For my sake, show her love.
Alright, Mother. I will do anything. Just that is what happened. But what I can get off my mind is the strange name she called me. She said that she defeated me 250 years ago.
Hira, I've told you several times, Kali is evil.
Chichi, stop! Kali is my sister. She's not evil. And she can never be. I know at times she always says strange things to me. But that doesn't make her evil. Yes.
I know you will never believe me.
Chichi,
of course,
please.
I know.
Please don't go that
I know you won't. But it's okay. Oh, Shishi.
She's my sister. How do you... Neka.
I won't.
Why?
Wait, you expect me to sit with this witch?
Neka! How many times have I told you that Hira is not a witch?
She's a witch.
She is not!
Just look at what she did to me in the dream. Can you see my neck?
You alone knows where you sustained these injuries.
She gave it to me.
Not
witch.
Hira. Hira! Neka, see what you've caused.
I caused nothing.
Neka, you better stop coming to my house.
Are you asking me out of your house?
Yes! Get out! Leave my house now! Hira! Hira!
Chichi, I do not know why. My twin sister hates me. She hates me with so much passion. I have tried to rectify our problems. I have tried to show her love, but all to no avail. She has turned all my friends to be my enemy. Chichi, what will I do? I'm confused.
Hira, we all know you support Kali. We also observe the truth.
Chichi, what truth are you talking about? Tell me, what truth?
Kali is evil. She might hurt you one day.
I believe one day she will change for good. All I'm pleading is if I have offended her in any way, let her forgive me. Chichi, please, you have to talk to Kali. We are twins. We share strong bond. Please, you have to help me.
I will, Kali. I will talk to her. If only she
oh, my friends.
to her. If only she will listen to me.
Please, you. You are the only friend I have now. Everyone hates me. Shishi, please. Everybody hates me.
Son, always remember that your past is mysterious. But do not be afraid. I am here for you.
Thank you very much, Grandmother.
You don't need to thank me. You're my grandson. My duty is to protect you.
Yes. Well, unless I forget. Please, if you ever have the chance of seeing that girl that saved my life, please do contact me.
I told you she's a goddess and cannot be seen.
No, Grandma. No. She made mention of her mother.
It's okay. Start going now. Your parents must be waiting for you. Send my regards to them. Go. Your driver is there waiting for you.
Thank you very much. Take good care of yourself.
And you too.
Bye.
What kind of dream is this? I saw myself hanging an unknown place and Kali flying in the air. What could be the meaning of this dream? Mother! Mother!
Good afternoon, Ikenna.
No, good afternoon.
Why is your face like this?
Is he not your friend? She's very angry with me.
You know you shouldn't have. But why did you allow your sister treat her like a trash when she's not?
You must see, we're not here to blame anyone, okay? All I want you to do for me is to help me talk to her. Okay? I know how much I love your friend. Tell her it's not my fault, but it has happened. Okay, please help me tell her that I am sorry, that it won't happen again.
I'll try my best, but I'm not assuring you that.
Please just do that for me. Talk to her for me. You know how much I love her.
It's okay, I'll try my best.
Please.
He's alright.
Thank you so much.
He's alright.
Chichi, even you.
Hira, it's you.
Do not pretend. Did you have the same dream others we are talking about?
Hira, you almost killed me.
So this is the reason everyone is running away when they set their eyes on me.
Hira, maybe you're possessed by...
What?
Nothing.
Just finish it.
No, all I'm trying to say is you should ask your mother the reason why she named you Hira. Maybe there is something you might not know about yourself. I don't know.
You are right. I was loved by all in this community. All of a sudden, everyone is dreading me like a ghost, having a nightmare of me trying to kill them. Something is wrong.
Yes. And mother.
Oh yeah. How about our last discussion?
Oh, that father. I am working tirelessly on it.
Tirelessly, sir? That's great. That's great. But for me, I think it's taking too long. If you're not able to find her, tell us. I and your mother will get you a beautiful girl in this time.
Your father is right, son. You are the heir apparent to the throne of Umodin Kingdom. You need to get married and give us grandchildren.
Yes.
Mother must you remind me about this all the time. Like I said, I am working on it.
That is what you always say.
So tell me, father, how are you feeling?
Yes, I'm alright today. Are you? Oh, you didn't hear? Odogu? Okay, then.
Hey! Chimo! Stop it! Stop it! Mother, what are you trying to do?
I want to end my life so that the evil spirit that is using my face to attack people will be stopped, Mother.
You're not the one doing this. You don't have to do it. You're not the cause, my daughter.
Mother, stop. Everyone in this community now sees me as a witch. And they're always accusing me of attacking them in their dreams, Mother. Why me? Mother, why me?
You are not a witch. You are not a witch, my daughter. You are my daughter.
No.
I can bear witness you are not a witch.
No, Mother. I am.
No.
How come about my name? Why Hira? Why don't you give me ordinary names like others? Shishi, Nkechi, Shinoya, other names, Mother. Why Hira and Kali? What is the meaning of my name? Hira and Kali. What is the origin of my name? Mother, say something. Mother, say something or I will take my life. What is the origin of my name? Just tell me.
Is the name of a God?
Go to Adadu's son. You will have a child.
Who are you? And how come you know what I was thinking? How come you know my mission?
I read your mind. I always communicate mother's hearts.
You still haven't answered my question. Who are you?
That goddess is full of evil. Nothing good can come from her. She only gives birth to calamity.
You desperately need a child to keep your wife, Mashi, alive.
There you go again. How come you know all this and who are you?
Only Adadu can do that for you. If you want your wife's life, go to her.
She's even a spirit. Why Adadu? Why Adadu? Adadu is a wicked goddess. She can only give birth to calamities. No, I have to save my wife's life. I have to save her life. Doesn't make save her life. No.
I will give you a child in one condition.
Anything you may ask for. Anything, I will. I want to have my child.
You will die for the child to live.
No, don't take my life. I'll give you anything, just mention it. Goats, cows, yams, I will give to you. Please, don't take my life. I want to be alive and train the child that you give to me. Not my life or that of my wife. No, I want to live and train the child that you give to us. Please.
You shall sacrifice your life for the life of the child. This is the condition. Else, you shall remain childless.
No, do not take my life. Please, I beg you, please. Do not take my life. Please.
My husband, I have good news for you. My husband, you don't look good. What is the matter?
Nothing. So tell me the good news.
I am pregnant!
I already know.
You know?
Yes.
How did you know?
Never mind.
Why are you crying?
No, I'm not crying.
Do not lie to me. Are these not tears in your eyes? What is the problem with you? Ever since I became pregnant, you've been acting strange and weird. Ikej, were you the cause of my barrenness?
Machi, how could you say a thing like that to me? How on earth would you think that I'm because of your childlessness?
Then what is the problem? What is it? Ever since I got pregnant, you've been acting strange and weird. What is it? Tell me, what is the problem, Ikeji?
Because I will die immediately you give birth.
The goddess of Allah forbid it. You don't say such a thing with your mouth. Stop it. I don't understand. What do you mean by that?
But that is it. Machi, I couldn't watch you shed tears day and night. I couldn't watch you trying to kill yourself because of childlessness. So I decided to make a move. I decided to seek for solution.
Solution? What? Solution? What are you talking about? What kind of solution?
I went to Adadu shrine.
What connection do you have with that wicked goddess? That evil goddess! Engage!
I went there to seek for a child and she told me that you're already pregnant with a child, but I can only hear the voice of that child, but I can't see her.
Hey! Ikeji have killed me, oh! Hey! Goddess of our land! Hey! But the goddess of light already gave me a child. What? Yes, she did! Yes! Yes! Hey! Hey! Ikeji woman! Hey! Hey! Hey!
We na mupana omo parejo
The goddess of our land. Praise.
My husband, where have you been?
Do not bother about where I have been, because I am fine where I am. Considering the health of our children, go and see me.
Who is in Miroma and how do I locate her?
Etilan. Go to Etilan, you will see her.
It's alright, let's just go inside and talk about this. Oh, let's go inside. My husband! My husband!
How is it possible? How?
Great one. What is it?
You are the reincarnation of two goddesses. How can two arch-enemies come to a mortal world inside one womb? This is unbelievable.
Great one. Please help me. I don't want to lose my children. Please.
You will not lose them if you name them the name of the goddess.
What are the names of the goddesses?
Hera is the goddess of light, while Kali is the goddess of dark evil.
How do I know who is who?
Help me remove this. Take this. Tie it on one of them. If she cries, name her Kali. If she doesn't cry, name her Hera. Make sure you return this.
after the exercise.
She cries. She doesn't cry. Yeah. Now go. Thank you.
I don't understand. My life is full of stories. Full of stories, Mother. Every time stories. Mother, just tell me the truth. I want to know, just tell me the truth. Who am I? It's okay, stop crying. I'm sorry. Mother, I'm sorry, please. It's okay, I promise. I will not take my life again. I will not do it again, please. Just stop.
What is the problem? Why are you in these deep thoughts? I've been watching you.
Norma is really making things difficult for me in this house.
I don't understand. How? What is it?
She suddenly developed hatred towards my girl, Hera.
I don't understand. Hera. I thought Hera was welcomed in this family as one of us, so why the hatred?
Yes, but she keeps complaining about her dream, and I don't know what to do.
But that is not enough reason to put you in this deep thought. And meanwhile, you should try and find out if what she's saying about her dreams is true.
There's nothing through there, okay? It's just a nightmare.
But sometimes our dreams come to pass.
Please don't come with that your negative thoughts, please. I need to be left alone.
Brother, you just need to be fine. Honestly, you just need to go away with that thought, okay? And meanwhile, I want to go and check my traps. Try and look for something to eat, too. This your mood is not fine at all.
For how long shall you continue like this? Your parents are gone. Yes, they are dead. But crying cannot bring them back. Okay, let me tell you. I'm here for you. At least I can assist you in anything, anyhow you want me to assist you, I will do that. Okay, they are gone, but you have me. No? Stop crying. Yeah, come here. Come. It's okay now. It's okay. Stop now. Look on me. Stop crying.
I still can't get her off my mind. She's so beautiful. Her voice is so sweet. Oh, I'm just confused. Don't know what to do.
Are you talking about the princess?
No, I am not talking about the princess. I'm talking about the girl I told you of, that I met at my maternal home.
Oh, I remember. Then, call her on phone now. Or don't you have her number?
I don't even know her name, not to talk of her number. Come on, Desmond, be serious.
Oh. Okay. Why don't you visit her home? Or don't you know where she stays also?
I don't even know where she came from.
Are you serious? Somebody just saved your life a few days ago. I don't know anything about her. Not even her name. No phone number. You didn't even ask her where she came from.
This month everything happened so fast. You will not understand. Come on, please. I need you to accompany me to my maternal's home next week.
What for?
In search of her, of course.
Wait. Do you want to see her?
What sort of question is that?
Do you really want to see her?
Yes, I want to see her.
You want to see her? Okay. Anytime you are ready, I'm ready.
I said next week.
Okay.
Good to see you again. You're welcome, my dear. Thank you. How is your mother, my friend?
Oh, she's fine. She said it's her duty.
Oh, my friends.
Wow. Sure.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good.
Mother, I can see you have this.
Oh yes. Son, her name is Sandra. Daughter of Ezego. Her mother is my good friend. She graduated from Madonna University. And she's a medical practitioner. She works with FMC.
Wow. So you are a medical doctor?
Yes.
Good. Good. Very well then, mother. I have to leave you to listen. Yes.
Okay.
If you like, okay.
Thank you.
Where are you coming from? Which? You went to chop somebody first.
Neka, what is the meaning of this?
Which?
Just allow me to rest.
Stop attacking me in my dream, witch!
Please.
Why are you always pretending, you witch? Eh? Stop attacking me in my dream. If you continue attacking me in my dream, I will be attacking you in real life. Witch!
Chichi, what have I done to you?
Witch!
What have I done wrong to you? Please let me be!
Witch!
Neka, please. My mother sent me a message.
Are you sure your mother sent you? Or you're going there to go and witch somebody? Witch! Stop! I'm not done talking. You want to walk away from me?
Neka,
witch!
With all due respect,
you witch.
Don't touch me again.
If I touch you, what will you do?
Neka.
Will you bewitch me?
Neka, if you touch me again, you will not like what I will do to you.
You will bewitch me. You cannot bewitch me! My power is bigger than your 7 witches to put together. Witch! Maybe God has punished you. Maybe God has punished you. Witch! Yeah, we tell my mother for you. Witch! Oh, you so bad. Witchy, what are you doing here? Who invited you? Now, get out from my house.
You ask so many questions. Which one will I answer? Which? Witchy, leave my house. Who invited you? I have a mission to accomplish.
Mission? What mission are you talking about? What
to mission? Take your life. Saloni needs blood, and blood she shall get. Your soul belongs to Saloni.
Hira! Mother! Hira! Hira! Mother! Nega! Nigger! Nigger! Nigger!
What is it?
Where are you coming?
Hey! Hold it there, evil child. You've killed my friend Nneka. Yes! You've killed her!
Killed Nneka? What do you mean?
See the pretense. Why are you this evil? Eh? Why are you this evil? You're pretending as if you don't know what you did in this village. You have killed her, so go and carry her dead body where you killed her. You here pretend as if you don't know what I'm talking about. Go and carry her dead body, you.
Kali, what are you talking about? Just tell me the truth. Is Nneka dead?
She's still alive. I'm the one that killed her. I've told you, go and carry her dead body where you killed her. If she's alive, if she's dead, murderer. Ellie!
Marty! Why are you yelling like that? What is it? Go in there and bring your demonic evil daughter. What is the meaning of this? What is that? I'm not here for your stupid questions. Go in there and bring her, or I will do something nasty to her. Madam Nasty, my daughter is not at home. If I may ask you, which of my daughters are you looking for? Because I have two. Hira! Why are you looking for her? Because she killed my daughter. Do you know you're talking nonsense? Eh? Why are you defending her? Oh, wait. How do you mean she killed your daughter? That means my Hira killed your neck. How did she kill her? Did you catch her? Did you catch her in the act? Or did she use knife or stone or gun to kill your daughter? Before she died, she was screaming your daughter's name. Just like that. That is why I concluded that she's the one that killed my daughter. Eh? Because she was screaming your daughter's name. That is why you concluded that my daughter killed your daughter. Machi! Get away! To do what? Any corner shaking?
See, this tender heart of yours that you have given to me, I'm so happy, and I promise never to crack it. Talk more of breaking it, okay? Honestly, I'll be a good boy. I don't even know what to say again. I'm just happy. Thank you very much for loving me. Now that you have accepted me, what do you want me to be doing for you?
I don't just want you to hurt me. And I don't want you to do anything that will make me remember my parents.
No, not at all. You will never ever experience heartbreak. Me hurt you, God forbid.
Are you sure?
I swear. I will do anything that you want. I will make your breakfast while you're sitting on the bed sleeping. I will wash your clothes. I will take you to Dubai. I will buy you things. See that motor that we saw that day? I will buy it for you.
Are you sure?
I'm serious. I'll buy it for you.
You buy me car?
Yeah, that GLK. Yeah, I'll buy it for you. So let's go inside now, so that.
No.
Brother.
I want you to tell me the truth. And all the truth you know.
Truth about what?
Why have you suddenly developed so much hatred on Hera?
Brother, Hera is evil. And I know that.
How dare you call my woman names? Yeah?
Brother, I saw her trying to kill you in my dream.
I cannot leave Hera because of your dream. That's an ordinary dream, you know. She has done nothing wrong to me.
Brother, Why not find another girl in this village? I will support you.
Thank you for your support.
I know what I am saying. Please, brother, try and be careful.
What am I hearing? Is it true that Nneka is dead?
Yes, it is true.
What killed her?
I don't know. Her mother said you killed her.
What? Me? How? When? I don't get it.
Yes, her death is a mysterious one. She even said she mentioned your name before she gave up.
Shishi, do you believe that I, Hira, will do such thing?
I'm confused. I don't know who to believe again, Hira. Besides, you always attack me in my dream. Please, I want to go before my mother sees the both of us. One more thing. Stop coming to my house.
I understand. I do. What is happening? Where have I gone wrong?
Zeus the king with a heart of gold. It's time for you to complete your love story. And this time, not even the goddess of darkness can stop you. Go and get her. My mother have been waiting for you.
Right now.
What is the problem?
It's not your evil daughter. She has killed Nneka.
The rumor is everywhere in this village.
Will you shut up? Shut that your stinking mouth. Hira is not evil and cannot harm anyone. So stop talking this rubbish. Stop it. What is it?
Mama, did you just shut me up now?
Yes, and I'll shut you again.
I just gave you an important information that your daughter have killed someone. And you're here shutting me up. There's no problem, oh. There is no problem at all. Me and you, we will be here. They will come and pick her and they will kill her. In front of you, you can't do anything. Yes, you will not do anything.
Kali.
They will kill her.
Kali.
Yes, Mama.
Why do you want to say that?
Because she's an evil goddess. Yes.
What are you?
I am your good daughter now. Am I not your good daughter?
Hera is a reincarnation of the goddess of light. Therefore, not even you nor anyone can harm her. So hold your peace. Alright?
Is it the way I'm looking at you? Is it the way I am looking at you? Mama, I just gave you an important information. And you're here telling me she's Rika. Rika what? No problem, oh. Okay, Meginaya. You and I will be here. When they will come, they will pick her, they will kill her. You will not do anything.
Nobody will kill her.
She will die, Mama. She will die. Because she deserves to die. She will die.
Nobody will kill her. Why this girl is in?
What has happened? The water in the stream is no longer water. The water has turned blood. Hey! Please, I don't understand. People's friend has turned water to blood. Hey!
Hey! Where do you think you're going? Mother? What is the problem? You are not answering your question. Where are you going?
I'm going to the stream to fetch water.
Which stream? The one you have turned into blood or another one?
Is that true?
I don't understand.
What is it that you don't understand? Pretender! You used your witchcraft power to turn the stream into blood so that people will die of thirst, right? Don't understand.
Hera, can you at least tell your mother the truth? I know I have not gone to the stream today. What she just said, is it true?
No. Mother, you don't have to believe Kali. I don't know what Kali is talking about. Please, believe me.
Hey! Hey! Mama, see the lines on her face. It's written all over her face. Liar! Liar! You TikTok. You think that they won't see you. Ngozi told me that they saw you in the morning when you went to the stream and turned it into blood. And you're here, you don't understand. You don't understand. Explain to Mama. Liar.
Kali, I don't know why you like causing me pain. How on earth can I turn water into blood? How is that possible? I know I am an evil child, but that does not give you the right to accuse me wrongly. I will go and see for myself. Mother,
I'll be back.
Mama, stop her! Stop her before the angry...
I will not stop her. If she's guilty as you have charged her now, let her bear the consequences.
Is that all you have to say?
That is all I have to say.
Okay, no problem. You better call her back home. They will come for her. When they will bring her dead body and keep it here, all of us will see it. Call her back home. Don't say I did not warn you.
What kind of thing is this? You don't allow me to look at me. Hey!
Have you forgiven me?
Yes, of course. I don't have any issue with you, okay?
Thank you so much. Hey! 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 Everybody! What did you? Stop this guy! What is really the witch? Now I know why your sister has been avoiding her.
It is true. The water has changed to blood. I am truly an evil child. How is that possible?
Without rain, nothing flows. Learn to embrace the storms of life.
What do you mean by that?
Everyone has an untold stories of pains and sadness that makes them want to love and live a little differently. Stop judging yourself. Instead, try to understand.
Stop speaking in parables and talk to me in a language I understand. What do you mean?
Try changing this blood to pure water. Then you will understand what I'm saying.
How can I do that? Just tell me.
I don't know. But you know.
No, I don't. If I know, I won't bother to ask.
Some people create their storms themselves.
What does that mean?
Free yourself and fight back.
Fight back.
Sweet girl! Sweet girl! Where are you? Please come back! Come back! I need your help! I am helpless, please! What should I do? I don't know how to do this. I don't know, please help me! Help me! Sweet girl!
How can I do this? I don't know how to do it.
God, please help me!
I am not an evil child. The water is back! It's no longer blood! I have to tell mother about this. I have to tell mother about this. I am not an evil child. I am not! Can you explain? Mother!
Brother? What happened to him?
He was attacked by Hera according to Ebube.
Ebube? And where is Ebube?
He rushed home. He said I should take him home, that he's coming back.
Okay, let's go, let's go.
What happened to him?
He was attacked by Hira.
Man, get water!
This girl is evil. I told you to be careful.
Take water. Drink.
You didn't see that beautiful girl. I have a lot on my mind. Okay? Okay? That's by the way. Yeah, just keep going, keep going. This Natana home is so... Hey, just keep driving. Of course I'm driving, but you know that this your Matana home is ancient. Let me
Don't speak about my maternal home in such manner, please.
I am not an evil child. I am a blessed one, mother.
She's innocent.
Yes.
Are you sure? I don't believe you.
I'm very sure. Mother, let's go inside.
Why is your face like that?
As we become pregnant.
You say?
Pregnant.
How now? Who is responsible for the pregnancy?
You, of course.
It's not possible. How can a drop of sperm get you pregnant?
What do you mean by that? You impregnated me.
Because you and I are I won't even know. Oh, my sperm is just 1 pam. So it cannot get you pregnant.
I don't understand. Aspiki, what do you mean? What are you saying? You and I know that you are the one responsible for this pregnancy.
See, let me advise you. Just start now. Start now and find a miss and know what to do to that pregnancy. That and get rid of that baby because I'm not ready for any pregnancy of it.
Azubike, no, please, don't do this, please.
I've told you, my hands are clean. Yeah.
see, what sister is saying is right thing. You really need to avoid this girl. She's evil. Yes. She nearly killed me. Yes. I think the right thing for you to do is to get another woman. Make her your wife.
Yes, what you're saying is true, but I need some time to get myself back.
Brother, you don't need time.
But I really love her.
But you can't compete with life. Love, life, they're far, far different. We are talking about your life and your age. Brother, you need to look for another woman and settle with her. Forget everything about here. Please. Let's just go. We need to meet up.
Which girl are you talking about?
That's the girl I told you I saw earlier today.
Wait. Come. Who is that girl and where are they taking her to?
Hira! That evil child. She has killed so many people and even turned our river to blood. So the king's men ordered the youth to kill her with stone.
Are you serious?
That is impossible. Hira cannot hurt a fly. She can't kill anyone. Where are they even taking her to?
Hammer of death. That is where evil people are being killed like her. Oh, please, let me go before...
This month. Please. I need to save her.
Not yet! Don't kill her yet! Wait! Let me order you and all other No. I know that the gravity of her offense is huge. She deserves to die. But please, don't kill her yet. Allow all our kinsmen and our fellow youths to come so that allow them to come. Please allow Imagine, I can't even drink water anymore in my own community. Exactly. She's have to die. Yes.
I want the body of my daughter. I want to bury her. Mama. I want to bury my daughter. I want to bury her.
Hira is not dead. When the youth were about to stone her to death, something strange happened.
My king, I just got a call from my mother. She said that Kira and his friend left home in a hurry. She's asking if they are back. Please, let's look for them.
I will send the guards to go and look for them immediately.
Why are you crying? This is serious. This is serious.
I'm pregnant.
My God. How? Where? When? I can't believe this. How did it happen? Who is responsible, by the way?
There's no other person other than Azubike now.
Azubike. Oh my God. Someone, this is not nice at all. I'm not happy hearing this.
Hey.
But have you told him about it?
I told him and he said that's none of his business.
Is he mad or something? Is Azubike stupid? How can he put you in a family and say it's none of his business? Is he stupid or something? Listen to me, Soma. I'm not going to take it lightly with Azubike. You are my friend! My good friend! I have to go and look for that stupid Azubike. He will have to face me! He cannot do this to you and go scot-free! I won't take it!
Amaka!
Young lady, what are you doing on the road? Are you not afraid of death?
You should be the one to be afraid of death. Because I am death itself.
What do you mean by that?
Never mind. I brought something for you.
What is it?
It's a gift.
For what?
Keep it. You will need it someday.
So, Dad, what are we going to do about that now?
As I speak with you, I am as confused as ever. I don't know what to do.
But I have a suggestion.
Spit it out.
How about taking her to your grandmother's place? I believe she'll be safe over there.
Can you hear yourself speak? That I should take her to my grandmother's place. Have you forgotten that they have common boundaries? Have you?
I remember. So, what do we do?
As I speak with you, the only option I have is to take her to the palace.
Like taking her to your father's palace?
Yes.
You and I knows very well that it's not going to work. Your father will never accept her. Besides, she's too local.
Desmond, what is her being local got to do with anything?
You know what I'm talking about.
Listen, the only thing I care about now is her safety. Her locality is not my concern for now.
You think so?
Well, it's not that I've not been thinking about that. But I will work something out.
Okay. I pray your suggestion works for you. I will praise you.
I appreciate you.
Why are you crying?
You remember me? Yes. You were the one the goddess sent to me 20 years ago.
So, how is my mother?
You know better.
Good answer.
Why are you doing this? I gave birth to a set of twins. Kira and Kali. Which one of them is your mother?
My mother is the one whose identity was used by the Jack goddess.
How are you?
Fine. And you?
I'm good. Sorry. I just want to thank you for helping me out the other day. I really do appreciate.
You're welcome. How is your health now?
As you can see, I'm good.
Okay.
Yeah. Where are you guys going to?
Actually coming back from my friend's house, so you're going home now.
Okay. Your friend, eh?
Yeah.
Ne, how are you? Kekuna Fagi?
Chisom.
Oh, nice name. Please help me and greet your friend for me. She helped me out the other day so much.
That's good.
Thank you. I would like to see you again.
Okay. When?
Like, I don't know. Maybe tomorrow.
Then I'll come to your house.
Ah, okay. That would be nice.
Alright, bye.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye.
You're not woman. Why are you following me? I should ask you to just You were rejected by the Almighty Goddess. Your grandmother was the only female goddess to be known as a demon mother. You were supposed to be living in the demon world and not with the mortals. So go back to your dwelling. You don't need to remind me of my history. Now I know. You're Maja, the young goddess from the lineage of Eve. In history, we existed
before you people. Now tell me, what are you doing here?
I am here to stop you. You've tormented my mother enough.
She's dead. So it's too late. Yes.
You must be so full of yourself if you think you can kill the reincarnation of the great goddess of light.
What do you mean?
What do you mean? Rethink, then you will understand.
Rethink, then I will understand. Does that mean that Hira is still alive? No! No, this cannot happen!
Why did you have to leave the hotel without telling anyone? Okay. What makes you think that I will let you go?
And who are you to stop me?
Well, I am your protector.
Funny man, get lost.
Hey, listen. I will not let you go anywhere. You think you're stubborn? But let me tell you one thing. I am more stubborn than you are.
Leave me alone.
Who are you? I'm looking for Chichi, Hira's friend. Please lower your voice. My mother is inside. She doesn't like to hear that name here. So, who is Chichi? I'm the one.
I have a message for you from the goddess.
Me? Well, you're not the servant of the goddess. How come the goddess sent you to me?
You speak this way because you're blind. You will really want to take care of the community in Hira's absence. Else, Kali will do it.
What do you mean by Kali will destroy this village? And which of the Kali are you talking about?
The one you know. She bears the name Salome. She is the rejected goddess. And you.
My king. I just got a call from our son. He's coming back.
That means I have to get the guys to stop the sites.
Oh yes.
$250 years has passed. But the story of Demi and Zeus has just begun. Destiny has brought them back together. The reincarnation of Goddess of Light. What that's supposed to happen is happening.
You again.
As long as that rejected goddess lives amongst mortals, souls will be taken.
don't understand. Uju, why are you crying?
My father and my only sister are dead. They screamed and fell down and their hair started bleeding.
Exactly the same way my mother died.
Wait for me.
Carling's the one killing them. Her name is Salome, the goddess of death and calamity. And the only way we can stop her is if I make use of your body.
I don't understand.
She's coming after you. Remember what she told you at NWACHI's house. She said she will kill you the way she did to your parents.
How did you know about our conversation?
I am a goddess, and what I say is beyond mortality. Now free your body.
What is it?
My name is Hira, daughter of late Hira.
Oh yes, father. She is from Imo State. She lost her parents when she was 5.
Her parents, you mean?
Oh yes, father.
What happened?
It's a long story.
I'm sorry, my daughter.
Thank you.
Don't worry, my daughter. We are now your family.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my queen.
Mother said that she will think. Does that mean Hira is still alive? If she's dead, Mother would have seen her body. Wait. This cannot happen. Where will she be then? I will not let her exist anymore. I have to do something. I have to end her the same way I did 250 years ago. No. I need to go to Abudu Shrine. But before then, Salome needs a plot.
Please, when you didn't tie me like this now, please untie me. What did I do to you? Is it a car that I gave back to you? Uziema?
Foolish woman. I will do no such thing. You remember 25 years ago, when you were in desperately need of a child? Yes, I was coming for you. Not until your stupid goddess of light brought Hira to you. Luckily for me, your husband came to Abu Shrine. The game just began.
So what are you saying now?
Stop pretending as if you don't know what I'm talking about. My name is Salome, the dark goddess. I am the cause of all the calamities happening in this village. I use Hira's face to torment people in their dream world, in order to make her look evil, why she's not. Yes,
I knew it. I knew you have always been evil. But I was supposed you to our kinsmen. They will come for you. I will report you to every one of them. Look at what you have done to me. I will tell them. She died me, oh! She died me! She died me, oh!
Shut up! Shut up! It is too late. There's nothing you can do because I am ending your existence in this mortal world.
No! You do no such thing.
Chichi, run! Chichi, run! Run!
No, mother. I am no longer the Chichi you used to know. She killed my mother because I refused to accept the reality. I will stop her from killing the mother of the true reincarnation of the goddess of light.
Chichi! Fool! You are my next target. But you came on your own accord. I will use one stone to kill two birds when I'm ready for you.
You are a rejected goddess. Go back to where you came from.
I understand that Macha is inside of you. I will be back for you.
My daughter, Mama, thank you for saving me.
Mama, I'm not the one that saved you. The goddess of light did. Her daughter is in me.
So what do we do now? Eh? How do we stop that goddess of dark from killing people?
She's not after the people. She's after Hera.
Why Hera? Why after my daughter? Why?
That's because Hera is the only person that can defeat her.
Where is Hera now?
I will find her.
needed to bring this here so that we can relax us. Talk.
This is beautiful.
Like it?
Yes.
I'm glad you do. Be careful. Hello. Come on, what is it? Why the tears?
Nothing but happiness. Thank you very much. Thanks for everything you have done for me. But I'm afraid.
You're afraid? Afraid of what?
The evil in me.
Please, just forget about that, okay? Smile for me, that is all I need from you.
How can I possibly forget that? What if the evil in me rises and I kill you?
Then I die.
What?
Oh yes. I will be dying for love. Listen, my dear, I love you so much. Oh yes, I do. And you are the one I want to make the mother of my children. My queen. Please, I don't want you to say no. Just say yes.
No. I will not marry you.
I knew it. Oh yes, I knew it. From the onset, I knew that you don't love me. I knew it.
No, Akiwa. You are mistaken. I always love you. But I cannot marry you.
Why? Why can't you be my wife? Why?
I am an evil goddess and can never be loved by anyone. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Akira. I'm sorry.
You're here.
What is it?
Azubike, how could you?
Could I what?
Why are you this wicked?
What is the problem now?
You're asking me what is it? How dare you impregnate my friend and deny her?
Jesus. Me, pregnant? Who? Who's your friend?
My friend, Soma!
Soma.
What?
Soma. Who is Soma now?
Are you kidding me? You are denying my friend before my presence? Oh my God.
Is she fair? Is she tall?
Azubike, you're wicked. God will punish you for denying my friend.
See, let me tell you, you're just lucky because I just finished eating and I'm very, very happy. I don't want to fight. If not, Megan, you will not like me.
I feel like hitting you, Azubike. You're wicked. God will judge you. Can you imagine? I don't even blame him. I blame someone, my friend, for accepting him in the first place. Such a wicked soul.
Mother.
Son, my friend.
Sandra. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you too?
I'm good. Now, what are you sent away?
I called you to come and see the beautiful ladies we have here. This is Nancy, Sandra's best friend.
Hi.
Hi.
Very well then, please, ladies, you have to take good care of yourselves, okay? I have to be on my way now.
No, sorry. You have to go with Sandra and Nancy. Yes.
Oh, well, you knew that will never be possible. Like I said, ladies, if you will excuse me.
Mommy, did you notice something?
The strange pet has stopped.
Mama, I'm afraid. Kali might kill us because Maja is no longer inside of me.
You don't have to be afraid. You have to keep pretending that Maja is still inside of you. Pretend,
Mama, do you think so?
I don't think so, I know so. Just put up an act. She won't know. Besides, she's no longer in this village. That was what Maja said. My innocent here. I just feel for my daughter. I pray the great goddess to bring back my daughter to me. Let me go.
It's okay, Mama.
Sandra, I know your reason for coming to this palace, but I want to make one thing clear. I am in love with someone. Right. And I do not have the intention of loving either of you. So please, first thing tomorrow morning, you have to take your friend and leave.
My prince, I am not here for you to be interested in me. We only came to this palace because it is your mother's order.
I know, that is why I invited you here to speak with you, for us to dialogue.
My prince, we are not here in search of a husband. We are here because your mother asked us to come. And you do not have the right to ask us to leave.
Oh yes, young lady, I have every right. This is my father's palace. I do not want to feel uncomfortable by your presence. So please, you have to leave first thing tomorrow morning.
We're going nowhere. If you're dreaming of who to leave, I think that should be Hira.
What did I hear you say?
Oh,
my friend.
How dare you?
Please, I haven't gotten to this. Nice. You know what? We are leaving this palace starting tomorrow morning. Let's go. I'm going nowhere. I'm not leaving.
She said that I should stay away from you.
Is she mad? Is something wrong with her? I mean, who gave her the right to say that to you? Okay, please, let's forget about that girl, okay? And focus on the reason why we are here.
Why are we here?
Well, I want to tell you something. Ask you a few questions and please, I need you to be honest with me. I need a yes answer. Please. Do you love me?
Akira, you are funny. Yes, I do.
Please, please, Hira, just deep down in your heart, do you really love me? Because I love you so much.
I love you. I love you as my brother. Okay?
That is not what I'm talking about. Will you marry me?
What is the meaning of this? Why are you blocking me? What's the meaning of this?
Do you think you can run away from your death?
What do you mean? Please, go straight to the point.
You are supposed to be dead by now. But luckily for you, Akira interfered and saved you and brought you here. As what? To live as a friend or as a sister? I don't get it.
Who are you? I don't know what you are talking about.
You should know. Don't even try to pretend. Don't you dare.
What do you want from me?
I do not want anything from you. But let me warn you. Stay away from Akira. For your own good. I will not warn you again.
Nonsense. Who is she? How did she know my past? Oh, she's the maid. My life is misty. Goddess, please save me.
Mother! You're crying. You again?
Yes, me again. Who are you calling mother? You. Sorry, I don't get it. What are you saying?
You are the true reincarnation of the goddess of light. And the goddess of light is my mother, which makes you my mother.
Look at me and take a good look at yourself. Do I wish to be your mother? Do I? What is funny?
You speak like a blind person.
Shut up and get out of here. Leave me alone.
Nancy is not who you think she is. Kali is the dark goddess. And her mission here is to defeat you like she did 250 years ago.
Stop talking rubbish. Kali is my sister. What are you saying?
You need to know who you are and defeat her so you can send her to her door. Do you believe in reincarnation?
She's not even a human. Kali, it's Nancy. How is that possible? No, she's talking rubbish. She's not human anymore.
You got me pregnant and you denied it.
Hey, okay, I accept the pregnancy. That sperm, that drop of sperm is mine.
It is too late. We will settle our case when you come over.
Hey!
Which of the girls do you choose, son?
Which of the girls do I like? None, mother. None.
Akira, why?
I don't like any father.
Enough of this madness, son. You are the only child of this family.
Yes.
You need to choose a wife. You need to choose a wife and start having children. Don't tell me that Hira is behind this rejection.
Oh, mother, please do not bring Hira into this. She has nothing to do with it. Okay. You know what? By tomorrow,
I'll send the kingsmen to go around this community and search for a very beautiful girl for you to marry.
Father, there wouldn't be any need for that. All I ask is you give me time. Time to present the maiden that my heart beats for. That is all I ask.
What time are you talking about? You need to choose a wife and give me grandchildren. I don't have time.
You may just say your mommy. You need a wife. Oh, Father, mother can always speak as the woman that she is. But she's right.
Excuse me. The queen instructed me to chase you away from this palace.
What do you mean? Are you joking or what?
I'm not joking. Excuse me. So, you're no more welcome to this palace again. So please, can you get back?
What do you mean? Excuse me.
You can't enter
the
palace.
This, let me. Akira!
You can't enter the palace. So, Akira! Get back! Get back! Never you come to this palace again. I've said my own and it is order from the queen. So get back.
But why? What have I done wrong?
You wish.
I just took a walk.
You evil wish.
What have I done wrong? Why did the queen ask them to throw me out? What have I done? Akira! 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 Where will I go now? I have nobody.
Akira!
Brother, why have you suddenly turned yourself a housemaid by washing your wife's clothes?
And what is wrong for me to wash my wife's clothes?
Brother, everything is wrong.
Like what and what? Expatiate, coantiate.
Brother, you just need to be a man. That's just it.
Wait, washing my wife's clothes made me a woman.
Yes.
Are you not stupid?
Chioma, what is wrong with you? Why can't you go and get married? Why are you bringing problem between me and my husband? And what will you do? Yes. Then you die like normal. Oh, you don't know? You will do nothing. Osima will do nothing. Yes. If ever you cannot do anything. Nothing. Are you talking to me? Yes. You can't do anything.
Wait, stop!
But let me just, I'll fix you. No. Say, I'll turn it to, it's you, You've totally turned my brother to your husband, have you? I will fix you. I will mess you up. Look at you. But I'll
slap you.
You don't want to stop her.
I'll slap you.
Now you're siding her.
I'll slap you.
Now you're siding her. Be okay, no problem.
You? Where are you coming from? That question is irrelevant. She is holding your protector captive. Who? Akira. Go and save him. You always like to talk rubbish. I do not have your time. Get out. Time to act is near. Kali, get ready for the wrath of my mother. She will send you to your What do you want? You can kill me if you want, because my life is worthless. I am tired of living. Kill me! Stop judging yourself and fight back. Go and save Akira from Kali, else she will destroy him and you. Akira is your protector and you are his shield. Don't let Kali defeat you the way she did 250 years ago. If what you are telling me is the truth, how can I save Akira? If only you will believe. If Akira dies, you will die. I don't believe you. Leave my way. Wait. Look into my eyes.
I said
Who are you?
It's me, Nancy, my prince. Is anything alright?
You need to see yourself in the mirror.
Do you like this pretty face?
I beg of you, please, don't kill me. Don't kill me, please.
That's only if you will make me your wife.
Huh? God forbid. I cannot marry you. I can only marry Hira. Oh yes.
How dare you mention that name again? Why all this rejection? A few months ago, you baxed me without noticing my beauty. I turned to snake and beat you. As if that wasn't enough. I will end you in 6 times. Just the same way I did to you.
What did you see? I saw my twin sister. So, Kali is the evil goddess, not me. I thought I was the one.
Go and save Akira and his family.
But how can I save him? I don't know how to do it.
You are the incarnation of my mother. Go. What you will see will provoke the light in you. Kali will be doing.
What happened 250 years ago is about coming to pass. Darkness cannot outshine light. Zeus and Demi's love story must be completed. Shalom must be stopped.
Mother, why? Now, Mother, why did you have to speak to Hira the way you did? Now, Mother, say something. Say something, because I need an explanation to your actions.
That evil girl has possessed you. Look at the way you're talking to your mother.
Oh, come up, that, Mother. That has not answered my question. Mother, why? You took her as your daughter. And today, you treat her like a trash. What has come over you, Mother? Oh, now, listen. That girl is the woman I want to spend the rest of my life with. I suggest you start treating her as your daughter-in-law.
For my dead body, will I allow you to marry that idiot?
But why do you call her such a name?
Oh, you think I don't know? Let me shock you. Your Hera is not from Imo. She's from Umuhu, a village in my maternal home. And her mother is still alive.
How did you come about this information?
Agu.
you?
It's me, Nancy, my prince. Is anything alright?
You need to see yourself in the mirror.
Do you like this pretty face?
I beg of you, please. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, please.
That's only if you will make me your wife.
Huh? God forbid. I cannot marry you. I can only marry Hira. Oh yes.
How dare you mention that name again? Why all this rejection? A few months ago, you baxed me without noticing my beauty. I turned to snake and beat you. As if that wasn't enough. I will end you in 6 times. Just the same way I did 250 years ago. And after that, I will come for your precious
Rodican. That's why you're sleeping here by this time. What?
Nothing is going on. I'm fine.
But you're not used to all this sleeping on the bench, huh? What is? Just tell me.
Brother, I said I'm fine. Just go in and rest, okay? I'm okay.
you and why did you have this look? I know you must have think I am myself. I am Kelly. I used her face to come to this palace in order for me to accomplish my mission. What mission are you talking about? Mission to kill Hira and Akira. What? You're such an evil being! Yes, I am. I am the evil goddess. I was rejected by the goddess and Almighty. I am from the generation of Lilith, the demon mother. Your soul belongs to me. Please, 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 don't kill me, please. Please. Please, let's
Please don't kill me.
Your soul belongs to Salome.
Kali is holding him captive.
Who is Kali?
She is an evil rejected goddess.
Mother, please save my son. No one can save him from my destruction.
Who are you?
You always talk about Kali. You never knew whom she is. I am Kali, the evil goddess. You remember years ago, when a woman came to you with twins, you gave her the names of the goddess.
I remember. And where is the daughter of light?
I have ended her life.
You lied! Do you think you can end the true reincarnation of goddess of light? Kali, please. Go back to your abode.
I see! You have grown wings to talk back at me. You remember how I ended your life 250 years ago? I will do the same!
How can I forget? You ended my existence 250 years ago. But today, I will end you forever. Because I am light and you are darkness.
Darkness existed before light. My grandmother, Lynette, existed before your grandmother, Eve. No one can challenge me!
You always good in telling stories. But let me remind you, my great-grandmother is the mother to the humans. But Lilith is the mother of the demons. So here is not a place for demons. Go back to your dwelling.
No! Before you send me to my blood, I will end your love life. Yes, because he is my captive.
Do you think I will make the same mistake I did 250 years ago?
No! Salome needs blood! Salome needs blood! Salome needs blood! Salome! No! 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 Ah! Ah! No!
Light has taken over. 250 years ago, Zeus and Demi fell in love. Salome ended their existence in the mortal world. The goddess and the Almighty rejected her. Hera is the reincarnation of Demi, while Akira is the reincarnation of Zeus.
Hera, please, forgive me for all I've done to you.
It's okay, Mother. What you did is meant to happen. It's okay, okay?
Hera. Our love story was not completed 250 years ago, simply because it was ended by the evil goddess. But today, oh yes, today, the Almighty has given us another chance, another opportunity to complete that love story. Tell me, will you marry me?
Yes.
Hera.
Yes, Mother. Good goodness, I thank you.
Good day, man.
Good.
You again?
Do you know her?
She was the one that gave me the substance that I've been saving.
That means she's kind.
Akira, the reincarnation of Zeus. Mother, I've completed my mission and the fate of my mother is into the mortal world. Kira, you are now immortal. You and Akira will live and grow old together.
Thank you. Thank you. Mother, I missed you. I missed you more. Thank you.
Yeah?
Mother.
Where is he?
Mother. He's my husband.
Married?
Yes.
You didn't let me know.
But I'm sorry. I'm very sorry, Mother. Please, I'm sorry. Mother, I'm sorry, please. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
You're welcome.
It's okay. Come into the house.
I'm sorry. Come.
Yeah.